Hello, this is Dorothy Smith and from Scrapbooking, and I wanted to do just a quick video on the reasons why you should sign up to come to a free Close to My Heart event. So these are past events. We just finished the brushed virtual crop event, and I'm going to show you why you want to do these virtual crops. Our next ones are scheduled for, this is kind of small print here, but July 7th, July 14th, and August 26th. And they're going to do stitch together card making, stitch together scrapbooking workshop, and the happiest place, a 3-day virtual crop event. So that's going from August 26th to the 28th. So this is what they do. So when you go to Google CTMH go to Facebook and then put CTMH in the search box, and you're going to look for this symbol. And it is absolutely free. There are some scammers that are trying to get you to pay with PayPal or whatever, and it is absolutely free. So that's a scam, so keep trying. Okay, so let me show you what I did with them on June 30th. Now this was a wild event. It starts 2 p.m. Mountain Time. So for me, it's 3 p.m. Central Time. So this is the first page we met. This is using the brushed, absolutely gorgeous paper, and you can get a little idea of what these papers look like going across here, just little samples. But so this is the first page with a first generation, second generation, third generation stamp, and also this is a rock and roll technique on the butterfly. You can see it's second generation here, then you roll the edges of the stamp in the same color or a different color if you want, and that's called rock and roll, and you just get the edges, so you get a little bit more than just a flat stamp. So all of these are stickers. So that's the one page. Okay, so the next one is this one. Let me scooch it over a little bit. Get that out of the way. Yeah, crooked. Okay, so all triangles and then random stamping, but pretty simple. But just the cutting of the triangles is a thing all onto itself. So that in itself is a technique of learning how to cut triangles. And like I said, the leaves are random stamping. So they're kind of going along with this leaf paper here. So anyway, I just thought these were beautiful. These are all stickers that are on the sticker sheet with brushed. This is called a Bring Back My Pack paper, and they've brought back some of the papers that have been the favorites in years past, and brushed was one of my all-time favorites. I mean, hands down. It's just an absolutely gorgeous paper. Okay, so this one, super easy to do. These are 6 by like 10, 2 pieces stacked on top of each other. I mean, that's pretty darn simple. And then you can put, the pictures as you want and a title. But this is a super simple sketch for doing a layout. So see, this is about 1 inch on each side. So, and it's halfway. So it's 6 by 10 times 2. So use coordinating cardstock. And these were a zip strip from your paper, so it's already there. And then you just want to do some little clusters to, add some balance. And, this was a big sticker, so this was super simple. These are stickers. These are all stickers, actually. No, this one we did, these are stamped and cut out, fussy cut. Okay, so the next one was this. Now, I'll tell you that this crop went on for like 6 hours, from like 3 in the afternoon till 9 at night. And it was a lot of work to do. And prior to that, I cut all the papers. They put the guide on the website the day before or 2 days before, so you can cut the papers in advance. So you would want to order the papers that they're having for the events and then cut them in advance when they put the guide out to save yourself a little bit of time. But you don't have to do that because they go through all the cutting with you. So here we go. This was a stamp, and these flowers and the little bitty butterflies are all stamps. This is a sticker, and that's a sticker. But these leaves are stamped. So, and these are just like 3x4 pieces. So this is also another super easy layout that you could do for yourself using any paper with the color background that coordinates. So this was also a random stamping, these spots, which are actually centers for flowers. And so these are 3x4. So 6 for each page. And this strip is like, let me see, I'll tell you exactly. It's 1 inch by 10 inches. So, you know, an inch, whoops, sorry about that, an inch on either side. And then these photo mats are 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 and 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. So exact same thing on the other side. And then the embellishments that you want, you know, whichever they happen to be. So gorgeous. Okay, now it's not just that. Then they made cards. So this is all from the pack, the bundle, I believe, that they had. Or no, it's still available until July 30th. So you could actually get this brushed bundle. And the video is living out there on the Facebook, on the CTMH Facebook page. So you can actually follow the video, but it just won't be live. So that means you can rewind it, which I couldn't do watching it live. So I'm going to come down a little bit to show you these gorgeous cards. Okay, let me get, there we go. Okay, so adorable, stamped flower, and this is a stamped sentiment. Let me, and I'll show you real quickly. Oh, I've got my things all wonky. They're wonky. This is the stamp, one of the 2 stamps that comes with the bundle. You get these 2 stamps, which is Always Be Your Own Kind of Wonderful, with all these wonderful butterflies. So the butterflies are real cute. Like these, the solid butterfly, this butterfly can be, it's the same size as that one. So what you can do is color this butterfly and have a solid butterfly in a lighter color, and then come back and stamp this butterfly, the outline butterfly, in another color. And you'll have a 2-tone butterfly that actually looks really, really lovely. Okay, so this is the first stamp set. And this is the second stamp set. I can't read what that says. So this says, my happiest thoughts are with you. My thoughts are happiest with you in them. And a budding friendship. And then once again, you've got a solid flower and a solid leaf. And then you've got an outline that fits over that. So you can have a dual color, which is what, so that's the second stamp set. That's what this is. It was stamped originally in the smoothie, or maybe candy apple red, and then the outline was done in black, and they were using archival black. In all my organization, I couldn't find my archival black, so I used my, my favorite is intense black. Okay, card 1, card 2. Once again, very easy design. 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, and 2.5 inches by 5.5. And then, the little, well, you would make this is 2 by probably 3. No, it's 2 by 2.5. No, yeah, 2.5. 2 by 2.5. So, and this gets 1/4 inch bigger. So super easy layout, super easy sketch to do. Two-tone butterfly using the rock and roll technique. Okay, so now if you don't really want to color, you can just stamp the outline onto whatever color cardstock you want your flower to be, and then just stamp the outline in black, and you've got a two-tone flower. Very simple. And then these leaves, they're so light because that's second generation, meaning that I inked up the stamp, stamped it once, and then came on and stamped it, and that's what I used. And then I outlined in black the leaf outline. So, and one thing that this is a sticker. This little thing is a sticker from the sticker sheet. And we stamped directly onto the sticker just to make it easy. Okay, the next one. Okay, so this is what I was talking about with the butterfly. So you stamp the solid butterfly in like a second generation, and then you can go back and stamp the outline in a first generation. Or you can make them 2 different colors. So you'd want a lighter color on the background and a darker color as the outline. But anyway, gorgeous candy apple red with this beautiful floral, and this is a zip strip. So it's 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and then 4 by 5.25. So next one, we made 8 cards. So we made 8 cards, 3 2-page layouts and 1 1-page layout. We got a lot of work done. Okay, so you are loved, you are loved, you are loved, and once again, a 2-tone butterfly. And strips that are, I'll tell you. So 1 1/4 by 3/4 by 1 by 5.5. I'm sorry, I keep on dropping that ruler and it just makes a cracking sound. Okay, this is another card, solid flower, solid flower. So you would stamp this and then do a second generation. Stamp this and do a second generation. Stamp this and do a second generation. And then come back on the second generations and do the outline in black or whatever colors you want to use. So super, super easy once again, and super cute. Okay, this is gorgeous. Flowers that were stamped with the outline flower on candy apple and on pixie, I believe. And then the leaves stamped on, oh my gosh, what color was that? Was it green apple? Oh my gosh, I'm blanking. Anyway, and one on polka dots. So don't be afraid to stamp on a little background and texture paper to get a different look. And I think this is just lovely. So the background is smoothie. That's 4 1/4 by 5.5. And then the red is 4 by 5.25. So you get a little border around, and then you come back and do a background 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. So pretty darn easy. This is a second generation stamped solid flower with the black over it, and second generation leaves with the black outline over it. And then you just want to add, a little clear gems were added to each of these flowers. So, and it's good to put them in threes. I used the silver glitter gem for the inside of the flowers, the small flowers at least. I didn't put any glitter on any gems. I wonder why I didn't. I missed you. Okay, 3 glitter gems, 2 glitter gems. This one needs more glitter gems, and silver, the silver glitter gem. I mean the clear crystals. They just need, you know, when you see it with, for instance here, you see it with the crystals, the little crystal embellishments, then you really want them on all of them. So anyway, that's what I did on Tuesday. And I felt like I put in, and I did, I put in a full day of work. It was nonstop. So this is why I want you all to sign up with Close to My Heart and say that you're going. And they give, what do you call it? Prizes. If you sign up and say you're going, you click on the going button, then you become part of the whole group that they pick from. Put something pretty to look at. And they give, I think they gave away at least 200 things, freebies to you. So if you sign up and say you're going at least 48 hours before the event starts, then you will be put into the pool of names that could possibly get picked for getting something free. And they're not little things either. They're you know, like workshops or whatever. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you because everybody's invited, not just consultants. Everybody's invited. And it's fun. It's really fun. But it's free. It's free and it's fun. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.